I'm Nicki Sizemore here in the Fine Cooking Test Kitchen. Spaetzle looks like little homey noodles. It is so delicious, the perfect comfort food, and it's great for soaking up winter braises and stews. While you can buy a special Spaetzle maker to drip the batter into boiling water, here I'm going to show you a little hack using a colander instead. Let's start by making the Spaetzle dough. It is really simple. So I have my flour in a bowl and I'm adding 9 beaten eggs and a cup of milk. We are just going to use a wooden spoon and slowly start to incorporate the flour into those liquids. My flour is almost incorporated and I'm going to flavor this up a little bit. I have some grated garlic, chopped parsley, and a teaspoon of salt. You want to work the gluten a little bit here in that flour to give the Spaetzle some structure. So let's put a little arm strength into it. All right, this is looking great. I'm going to let this sit for 15 minutes while I heat up a pot of water. All right, I've brought a pot of water to a boil. I'm going to reduce the heat to a simmer, and then using the holes of a colander, scoop some of the Spaetzle batter right into the colander and then work it through those holes, and they'll start to sink down to the bottom, creating these little noodles. You'll know the noodles are cooked once they float back to the top. You can either just toss them with melted butter and maybe some fresh herbs, or you can actually saute them until they get a little browned and crispy. This is the ultimate comfort food, and it couldn't be easier to make. For more tips and recipes, go to finecooking.tv.